If the men don't come lining up this summer, then girl, there's no hope for you. If you are going into summer newly single, it's time to get rid of that old spice. Drink something nice that's going to cleanse your body and have you smelling magnificent. This is my viral kitty cleanser. Pineapple, strawberries, coconut water to help your body flush out those toxins, the juice of an orange, grapefruit, lime zest, lime juice, apple cider vinegar with the mother, Madagascar vanilla powder because we bougie, fresh mint, a little cayenne, and don't forget the cinnamon, okay? Organic Ceylon cinnamon only.